I can see your faces, I know you're nervous, I know you're eager to start. But I would like to call on the person responsible for all of this, Early, the marketing manager of Alfa, to explain the dynamics of the competition. A round of applause for her, please. As you know, part of the outfit must be patchwork or quilting, which, for those who don't know, you'll see how it's done. It's not complicated, but it's not easy either. So, good luck. And then there are other types of fabrics to add some elegance to the final dress, which, as you know, must be an evening gown. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, in the meantime, they run, we watch them, we analyze how they pick the fabrics, the scraps, the materials. Great idea. They had them marked, but this moment was beautiful. Let's announce the winning group of this competition. Group number 2, come up to the stage. Well, there's always hope, but you never really believe it. In competitions, I think that's what happens. You want to win, but you don't want to expect it, so you don't get disappointed. So when they tell you that you've won, the joy is even greater. Enjoy it a lot, and we will definitely see each other again at future events. Thank you all three, it's been a pleasure.